मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया में, तू जरा हिम्मत तो कर। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया में, तू जरा हिम्मत तो कर। ख्वाब बदलेंगे हकीकत में, तू जरा कोशिश तो कर। मत सोच कि तेरा सपना पूरा क्यों नहीं होता, मत सोच कि तेरा सपना पूरा क्यों नहीं होता। हिम्मत वालों का इरादा कभी अधूरा नहीं होता।
Hello friends and welcome to another video. Today I am gonna tell you about an amazing business plan from where you can extract a very good profit. So the company's name is Just2Money Solutions and its official website is www.just2moneysolutions.com. You can visit the website too for more information. Now I am gonna say you about the profile of the company. So the reality is the digital currency, where digital inventiveness countries to rewire and rewrite the way business gets done. And the value of relationship here is simply put brands and businesses that anchor their digital experiences with insightful analysis and smart integrated plannings. Now if we talk about the mission and vision of the company, so the first one is equalization, second one is to provide change, and the third one is to incorporate the basic standards. Now if we talk about the reasons for why you should choose us, so here Just2Money Solution Group is committed to helping its team reach their goals, to personalizing their event experiences, to provide an innovative environment and to make a difference. Here digital currency can be transferred between entities or users with the help of technology like computers, smartphones and the internet. Our support team is available 24/7. Connect with our team at any time for any required assistance. This one is highly secured, mirror servers kept in climate controlled, and we run backups several times a day to keep your information fully secured. Now if we talk about the business plan of the company, so here joining amount starts with $40. That means by investing $40 you can join the plan. So here in this plan you can earn 4 types of income. The first one is magic pool income, direct referral income, performance level income, and the last one is the fast track income. So if we talk about the direct income, so from here you can earn up to $15 from every direct sponsor done by you, and from here you can earn unlimited direct referrals too. Now next comes the fast track income. So here level wise crystal bonus income is provided. When your team member will upgrade, then you will earn that income. For example, if the team members working under you upgrades their income to the first level, so you will get $15 at bonus income. Similarly, if your team member upgrades to the second level, so you get $20 as bonus income. Like this only, there are 6 levels for generating the income from where you can get up to $5,000 maximum. Now, if we talk about the team performance income, so this is a kind of team working income, where you will get $1.11 for every user that will join your team up to level 15th. For example, if there are 3 users in level 1, so you will get 1.11% of those 3 users. So your total income will become $3.33. Similarly, in level 2, if there are 9 users, by getting 1.11% of those 9 users, your total income will become $9.99. Now, at level 3, if there are 27 users, so by getting the 1.11% of all those 27 users, your total income becomes $29.97. Similar procedure continues for calculating the income at all levels. At reaching level 15, your users are 1,43,48,907. If you calculate 1.11% of all those users, your income becomes as much as you can't even imagine. So now comes the non-working magic pool income. So here, when you activate your ID from $40, your ID enters in the Star Magic Pool, where each Star user will be able to earn this income. This income is distributed by a special type of software, and this is based on the first come first serves. Now here, on the basis of 3x3 matrix, you can earn the non-working magic pool income up to level 9. For instance, if there are 3 users in level 1, so you get $1 as income from each of them. So your total income becomes $3. Similarly, in level 2, if there are 9 users, you get $1 from each and your total income becomes $9. Going ahead, if there are 27 users in level 3, so you get $0.5 from each and your total income becomes $13.5. And in level 4, if there are 81 users, you get $0.5 from each and your total income becomes $40.5. Similarly, the table continues, And on reaching level 9, there are 19,683 users. You get $1.35 from each, and your total income becomes $26,572.05. If you want to withdraw your earnings from the Star Magic Pool, then you need to upgrade to the second Magic Pool income, that is the Silver. The Silver Magic Pool also works on the 3x3 metric system, wherein you can earn up to level 9. Similarly, if there are 3 users in level 1, you get 2.5% from all those 3 users, so your total income becomes $7.5. When in level 2, there are 9 users, you get 2.5% from all those 9 users, and your total income becomes $22.5. In level 3, when there are 27 users, you get 1.5% from all those 27 users, and your total income becomes $40.5. Similarly, the process continues for calculating the income at all levels, and by reaching level 9, your users are 19,683. You get 5% of income from all those users, and your total income becomes $98,415. To withdraw your earnings from the Silver level, you need to upgrade to the Gold Magic Pool level. Here, you can upgrade by $100 income and by 5 direct referrals to the Star users. Gold Magic Pool also works on the 3x3 matrix system. For example, if in level 1 there are 3 users, you get $4 each from all the 3 users, and your total income becomes $12. In example, in level 2, if there are 9 users, you get $4 from each of them, and your total income becomes $36. Similarly, in level 3, if there are 27 users, you get $4 from each of them, and your total income becomes $108. Same procedure continues for calculating the income at all the levels. On reaching level 9, there are total 19,683 users, from where you get $15 each from each users, and your total income becomes $295,245. To withdraw your earnings from the Gold level, you need to upgrade to the Emerald Magic Pool level. You can upgrade from $1,000 and 7 direct referrals. This level also works on the 3x3 metric system, where you can earn up to level 9. Here, in level 1, when there are 3 users, you get $300 from each of them, and your total income becomes $180. Similarly, in level 2, when there are 9 users, you get $300 from each of them, and your total income becomes $540. In level 3, when there are 27 users, you get $200 from each of them, and your total income becomes $1,620. The same procedure continues for calculating the income at all the levels, and on reaching level 9, when there are 19,683 users, your total income becomes $24,60,375. To withdraw your earnings from the Emerald Magic Pool, you need to upgrade to the Ruby Magic Pool level. Here, you can upgrade by $5,000 and 9 direct referrals. This Magic Pool also works on the 3x3 metric system, wherein you can earn up to level 9. Now if we talk about the level incomes, so here in level 1, when there are 3 users, you get $60 each, and total income becomes $900. In level 2, when there are 9 users, you get $60 from each, and your total income becomes $2,700. On level 3, when there are 27 users, you get $60 from each, and your total income becomes $5,400. The same procedure continues for all the other levels. And on reaching level 9, when there are 19,683 users, you get $125 from each, and your total income becomes $1,57,46,400. To withdraw your earnings from the Ruby Magic Pool, you need to upgrade to the Diamond Magic Pool level. Here, you can upgrade from $10,000 and 11 direct referrals. This plan also works on the 3x3 metric system, wherein you can earn up to level 9. Here, in level 1, when there are 3 users, you get $700 from each of them, and your total income becomes $2,100. In level 2, when there are 9 users, you get $700 each, and your total income becomes $6,300. Similarly, in level 3, when there are 27 users, you get $500 from each, and your total income becomes $13,500. Similar procedure continues for calculating the income at all other levels, and on reaching level 9, when 19,683 users are there, you get $1,400 from each, and your total income becomes $2,75,56,200. So along with working and learning, you can also earn a very amazing income from here. So now the screen is showing the pool level 50% upgrade income system. When in level 1, that is the star, you join with $40 and there are 3 users in your team, then you get $15 from each and your total income becomes $45. When in level 2, that is the silver level, you direct 3 people and self-upgrade with $40. If there are 9 members in your team, you get $20 from each of them and your total income becomes $180. When in level 3, that is the gold, when you direct total 5 people and self-upgrade with $100, when there are 27 users in your team, you get $50 from each and your total earnings are $13 and $50. When in level 4, that is the emerald level, when you direct total 7 people and you self-upgrade with $1,000, if there are 81 users in your team, you get $500 from each of them and your total earnings become $40,500. When in level 5, that is the ruby, when you direct total 9 people and self-upgrade with $5,000, and if there are 243 members in your team, you get $2,500 from all those and your total earning becomes $6,75,500. In level 6, that is the diamond, when you direct total 11 people and upgrade with $10,000, if there are 729 members in your team, you get $5,000 from each of them and your total earning becomes $6,45,000. So if we calculate the overall income, so when there are 11 directs and total 1092 members in your team, so you can earn up to $42,94,575. Now if we talk about the team bonus working income, so here you get $1.11 each from all the members in your team up to level 15. So here you can earn up to $16.65 from level distribution. Now on the screen, the chart has been displayed showing the team bonus working income, from where on the basis of 3x3 matrix system, you can earn up to $21,848 of income, and on the basis of 10x10 matrix system, you can earn an even unexpectedly and amazing income. So like this, Just2Money Solutions is a very amazing and unique platform from where you can generate a very good income. So for more information, you can contact the number given on the screen. Thank you.